Buick Encore 2013 to 2022. To remove the window regulator and motor assembly, first remove the door panel by unscrewing one bolt behind the door handle and a second one in the armrest. Use a tool to pry the panel from the bottom and release the clips. Then, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors. Next, disconnect the connector from the window motor and loosen the two bolts holding the glass, but do not unscrew them completely. Unscrew all the bolts securing the window regulator mechanism. Lower the mechanism to the very bottom of the door and pull the glass out sideways through the top. After that, you will be able to remove the regulator assembly along with the motor through the opening in the door.